Home has been rehabilitated with new hardware, appliances, granite countertops in kitchen, laundry and both bathrooms. New roof installed July 2022. New carpet upstairs and new vinyl plank flooring downstairs in living areas. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms with full bath. Main level includes 1 bedroom/1.5 baths, kitchen, 2 family areas and office. Both condenser units have been replaced. LED light fixtures have replaced old can lights, along with exterior lights. Home is located in the Bryant School District.